Can we please talk about my favorite product on Printify right now? Please. All right. If you know me, you know I do not play about Printify. I don't play about print on demand because why am I going to spend my money up front to start selling stuff when Printify can do it for me? If somebody else is going to do it, please do it for me. If you're going to print it, pack it, ship it, and get it to my customer and make it look like I sent it with my logo, my stuff on it, all clean and cute with a little note from me too, of course I'm going to let them do this. So I have been screaming about Printify for so long, and I talked about this product last year, and some of you said that you were going to do it. If you did do it, I want to talk to you in the comments. It is candles. I love that they have so many candles to choose from. I love that I can put logos on there. I love that I can put an AI design on there. I love that this is the type of product that will sell crazy during the holidays. And if you're watching this in December, it may be too late to sell it for like Christmas, but trust me, people are going to need candles even after the holiday. Why? Because people love candles. People freaking love candles. So if you can come up with a niche that is going to like stand out, if you can come up with something that people love and they will put it on a candle and buy it, you are going to win. So I'm going to give you some ideas to put on a candle. So the way that you're going to do this is to take the ideas that I give you, create your actual designs on Printify, and then you are going to connect your Printify to a sales channel. So the sales channel is where people actually come to buy from you. I would suggest either Etsy because people are looking for things like candles on Etsy. I will also suggest if you're somebody who already has people, friends, family that will buy from you now, that you can do a Printify pop-up store because it's absolutely free and they just pay you every month. You also have TikTok Shop and Amazon, but you have all of those options that are right inside of Printify that you can take these ideas that I give you. Make sure you got some pen and paper ready because I'm coming with the ideas right now. And get ready to log into Printify to create your best-selling candles. So number one is hyper-specific humor candles, also known as This Is So Me energy. Now this works with t-shirts and other merch, but especially for candles because people love buying impulse gifts. People love viral potential on TikTok, here on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and print on demand candles work really, really well with funny stuff like this because the label is doing all the work. Of course, you want it to smell good, but the label is going to make people pull it out because it's like, oh my gosh, I love this candle. So here are some brand examples for you. Smells like I have my life together, in parentheses, I don't. This one is cute. My last nerve, ... burning. The next idea is going to be like astrology, manifestation, ritual, faith, anything like that type of candles, because people love buying identity-based products. They will always buy things that they believe in, and you don't necessarily have to do a whole lot, especially if, let's say, you want to do zodiac signs. You can literally have, I think it's 12 signs. You can have all 12 signs, or you can put prayers on candles. You can put affirmations on candles. You can put so many things on candles, right? So here are some examples. Leo energy, if you want to do astrology, confidence and main character mode for Leos. Capricorn, grind, focused, and discipline. Mercury retrograde. Why I can't say this? Mercury retrograde survival candle. That will probably sell a lot. Manifest, calm mornings, and big paychecks. And of course, I know we're talking about candles, but you can take these ideas and put them on any of the thousands of products that are available on places like Printify. So these will work really, really well because people are always going to buy this kind of stuff. It's cute. It's fun. I buy it. I got these random candles right here. They just sit here, but I got some other candles. I love stuff like this. So I'm just speaking as somebody who would actually buy your stuff. So it works. All right. The next idea is going to be emotionally specific self-care candles. All right. The reason why this works is because people buy for themselves as well, not just gifts. And you want for people to feel like when they get your candles, they can truly spend that night in taking care of themselves. It's all about them, self-care. People are burnt out right now. People are tired. People are so tired. Okay, I'm people. So yes, here are some examples that you can steal from me right now for when you cancel plans and feel amazing. You can put that on your candle. Burn this instead of overthinking. When I say I need that right now so bad, oh my God. Somebody please take this idea and make it and send it to me today. Sunday Scaries Recovery. That's cute. And the last one is it's okay to reset. So these are actually very, very good ideas. I hope that somebody today stole some of these ideas because these will sell on candles, it'll sell on other products, and people will love them. And not only that, I love that candles are the type of product that people are going to use and that they have to rebuy. So people will come back over and over and over and over again if you create a really good product for them, which is why this is such a great product for you to sell right now, especially if you're a candle lover like me, because you're going to be passionate about it. So I would suggest you get on this ASAP. Log on to Printify, create your account if you haven't. I do have my link directly to Printify in my description box. If you already have an account, just log back in and you're going to create your candles today. Start selling. And if you make that overthinking one, send it to me. Let's talk in the comments. I hope that this helps you and that you stole some of these ideas today and that you're going to make a whole lot of money with your candle business or anything else that you decide to do. All right. I love you guys. I hope that you have an amazing new year. 2026 is going to be everything. I'm speaking into existence. Put that on the candle too. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.